Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Ford Fusion SE, stock number B9794P. 30,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Tuxedo Black metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Fusion is in the mid-size car class. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, and a spacious glove box with all the inside. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average 22 miles to the gallon and the city average of 34 on the highway. New brakes and new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.